welcome back to the channel. So today won't be an install video but more like a vlog style video involving the E92 M3 because I know that many of you have been requesting to have this car more on the channel, so there will be more videos of it on the future, but for now let's go ahead and get on our way. So we usually take two cars. I'll be driving my own, or Chris will be driving his, or he'll even be riding as a passenger on my car, but today he's driving his own and I'm being driven, which is a funny thing. Now we're actually going to meet up with a friend of a friend that he's into photography, and now he's just recently going to be getting into videos, so he actually wants to shoot some kind of cinematic videos with the E92 M3. So I'm really wondering how this is going to come out, and I'm curious to see how it's going to be. Okay guys, before we get there, let's have a little fun and let's record. I'll pull on first. The fastest, but man, it pulls. It's fun. So we have arrived at the location. It's just this empty warehouse area here, and I was actually kind of glad when he said let's meet up at 6:30 p.m. today because it's just been super hot here, like around 1:11 or 1:13 a day. So I was like, okay, fine, it's not going to be that hot, but little did I expect that it was going to be windy. You guys can hear, so I'm sorry for the audio. I'm not sure how it's going to come out, so I thought maybe if I'm here in this different location facing a different way, the audio will be better. So I don't, let me know how it sounds. But we're here and there's actually more cars here. It actually seems it's starting to look like a BMW car meet because it's all just BMWs. There's another car. So that's Chris's E92 M3, and then this is an E36 M3. I really do like that car as well. I was actually thinking, I don't know, I've been thinking lately maybe getting an E36 M3 or an E46 M3 and do like a track build. I'm not sure yet. This is what I mean when I'm talking about this is starting to look like a BMW car meet because we have cars here, Phoenix shots right here. For anyone that's in Arizona, you guys are looking for some good car photography, he is your guy right here, which I'll see if I can get him later on in the video. But these are the things we do, like these are the things you see behind, well, these are the things that you don't get to see behind the scenes. I think that's pretty much it for this location. I think we're going to head out to another location which is probably a little bit better, but we do have a special guest joining us here. An unexpected guest. So now we have the McLaren 720S joining us in this little BMW meet. So now that they're done at least shooting in this location, I just wanted to give you a little bit more up close of this E36 M3. This is pretty nice. He has it pretty clean. I really do like how he has it modded. I don't know guys, every single time I see one of these, like, oh, I see them a lot at the track, either E36s or E46, I'm just like, I don't know, I kind of want it to be a project car. Maybe not now, but sometime in the future because I really do like these cars. And funny thing is that Chris used to have an E36 M3 with supercharged. That thing was amazing, so I'm kind of missing it. So guys, there's been a change of plans. This is very unexpected, but we're here at O'Reilly's because the other E36 M3 that we were actually shooting with, on the way to the location, he actually ended up getting an issue with his car. He checked the codes and he has a misfire. So we're here and they're in there trying to find a spark plug for his car. So hopefully we can get that fixed and then we can make it to the other location. Alright, so good thing. So he was able to get the spark plug and then he finally changed it and it's all working. So good thing. So now we're at the other location, which is this parking garage right here. I don't know if this is familiar to you guys, but I've done a few videos and pictures inside this parking garage with my cars. So things did take a little bit longer than expected today, but that's a wrap. We're done shooting at the second location, and I'll make sure to put Devin's information, which his Instagram name is @PhoenixShots, down here and in the description below. So if anyone is from Arizona, you guys are interested in having some good photography, some good shots taken of your car, or even videos now that he's getting into it, make sure to check him out. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.